Welcome. I am so glad you're here. My name is Amber Robinson, and I am a pianist, composer, and teacher from Indiana. And I have taught piano for over 20 years, and I love it. Each child is different, and each day brings a new musical challenge. I am thrilled that you have found the audio and video tracks to this series because you are going to learn so much faster. Printed music on the page is only a small percent of what music really is, because you're going to see the music modeled and you're going to hear it. You're going to learn so much faster. I remember being the age of a young beginner. I remember being 5 years old and seeing my very first piano at a church. It was a Baldwin baby grand, and I went up to it and I loved the feel of it. I loved the touch of it, and I begged my mom and dad for piano lessons. My dad was the local math teacher, and he bought me my first lesson by trading tutoring for the piano teacher's daughter while I was in another room having my piano lesson. So I very much remember what it was like to be so excited and to be that age. I am really excited about the sequence and map in this book. You're going to open the book, and it might surprise you to know that the notation, the actual printed music notes, don't come in to the middle to the end of the book, and it's really important why. When children are babies, they hear all the sounds around them, but we don't hand them their ABCs on day one. They get to hear their moms talk, they get to sing and speak, and music is another language where there's all sorts of things we need to hear and listen and move to before we get to the notation. So the sequence in this book is we hear, we move, we speak, we sing, we tap, we use big motions, and then finally we play and we'll read and write music. And this sequence works out so much better for young beginners. So if you open the book, just kind of go with it and know that sequence is just going to be a little bit different. In this book, you're going to hear some music. We have a lot of music from Carnival of the Animals. It's a classical orchestral piece with different animals. The kids are going to move and have a good time with that. But I encourage you to make this series your own. Is there music that your family loves, that your family has a dance party to, that you guys move to? Well, get that music out and have them march, have them conduct, have them speak, have them sing. So in this book, it's just suggestions. You guys know what works for your family and make it your own. Thank you so much for giving your family the gift of music. In all my years of teaching, it never grows old to see a kid at their very first lesson and to see their face light up and be completely full of joy as their imagination is unleashed. Your exciting adventure starts now.